Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Aldi Bramantio from Agro 5 English 6. I will present is why should we reduce the use of chemical fertilizer. Do you know the impact of using too much chemical fertilizer? Indeed, excessive use of chemical fertilizer is not good enough, causing various problems for the environment. This morning, I will share 3 reasons why using chemical fertilizer is not good for the environment. First, I will explain that the use of chemical fertilizer can interfere with the growth of organisms in the soil. Then I explain that the use of chemical fertilizer results in reduced soil fertility. After that, the use of chemical fertilizer can also cause operational costs to swell. At the end of my speech, I will summarize all the discussion that I have previously described. Three arguments. First, excessive use of fertilizer can disrupt microorganisms. Based on the reference of Siti Rohman 2005, excessive use of fertilizer can interfere with microorganisms because excessive use of fertilizer on the soil causes acidic soil, so that the soil texture tends to be harder and barren, resulting in disrupted microorganism activity. The condition can reduce or eliminate some of the nutrients available to plant and cause plant to not grow properly. Second, excessive use of chemical fertilizer can reduce soil fertility. In general, plant cannot absorb chemical fertilizer perfectly. There will always be residue or chemical fertilizer residue left in the soil. If exposed to water, it will bind to the soil like glue. After it dries, the soil will become hard, and if the dry season, the soil can crack. In addition to hard soil, the soil also become acidic. This is also stated in Sarwono's research 2010. Third, the use of chemical fertilizer has increased operating costs. The more fertilizer is used, the more it costs. Based on my experience, when using chemical fertilizer, it costs more than using organic fertilizer. This happens because the fertilizer given to the plant do not necessarily mean that the plant will absorb all the fertilizer content properly. Usually, plant take enough nutrient from the environment. Therefore, the use of chemical fertilizer can result in operating becoming operational costs. In conclusion, the use of chemical fertilizer can disrupt soil organism, reduce soil fertility, and increase operating costs. Chemical fertilizer should be reduced and shift to using organic fertilizer. With the presence of organic fertilizer, it is hoped that it can be a solution for environmental improvement, especially soil quality and the presence of microorganisms. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.